To add Klarna to your Shopify store, follow these steps. Create a Klarna account. Sign up for a Klarna merchant account on their website. You will need to provide business details for approval. Install the Klarna app. Go to the Shopify App Store and search for the Klarna app. Click Add App to install it to your Shopify store. Connect your Klarna account. After installation, open the Klarna app in your Shopify admin panel. Log in using your Klarna merchant account credentials. Configure settings. Once logged in, configure the settings to align with your business needs. You can set payment options, adjust the appearance of Klarna on your checkout page, and customize messages to customers. Set up payment methods. Select the Klarna payment options you want to offer, such as Pay Later or Pay in 4, and adjust any relevant settings for those payment plans. Test your setup. Before going live, conduct a test transaction to ensure that Klarna is functioning correctly on your site. Launch and promote. Once everything is set up and tested, promote Klarna on your store to encourage customers to use the payment option at checkout.